7MTV, New Vision.
Asofwe assign aka wom hu bim ene de fire oja wo kire se aban wom enhwe ento cars enfama asofwa ewo omemu DSTV campaign no wom kire se wom ye stubborn papa stubborn academy klenchia 30% reduction na Honorable Sam George aye communications minister ne wom edidi hu anobabaye se wom tete wom bo so no kire se enyade a wom ebete wom bo no so by 30% bi enyade a wom te so ne ati so china echirimba impanyinfo watching enam biemuhyen plane crash hunti no enei wom ahwe wom nkwan echirimbe ebusuanko abede ahwe wom yama mpani John Dramani Mahama wakasa ho 7MTV network eso eni follow page no Facebook subscribe YouTube ensema hodo ede benyina nkomode no ka ho bi eni ti fa adwenkyere fa to comment section ne afoforo so enchemidin ene na ya nyameche yembo enra ensem no na yendom suko ene ifa ye oja ekere se asofo no ebinum ehia cars esan so bi o ha na oti kurase na opese ode message bi ebre panyi bi a wo government mu enu nti no o kere se aban mu nhwe na asofo wo memu yento to cars emma wo mo na wo mo to cars ne kra ma wo ma wo mo sanso hia fiwo aka ho na ene kra wo ma wo mo parliament no wo mo fu ede ma wo mo free ni etwem na asofo say letter by contact eda ho email so wo ho ehun hia bia sa wo fa ka akọ baby afa ye oja anka be ya fa phone contact na wo ho no fa number no na frɛ anase ma wo mo email message wo enye by force so be fa ka akọ Jubilee House anase hin akọ wa mane
na wo news aba no enei abankesiem omode abase all prophecies must be reviewed. Presidential envoy, a directive religious leaders a Ghana nyina say obi all prophecy bia no on submit enko presidency. Bacho what?
Bacho mate.
Also saying.
Yebesom, yebediso.
Okay.
Ye na your mind him tell them pibons be town.
And they say they move be Jubilee kwan papa.
Oh. Yebediso. Yebedi asem no so. Onsa wo yourself for so bu or minimum penny for so count.
Yeah.
One penny diamond penny for war minimum. One day no obetimi nti say yebediso ama wo.
So meaning say if you necro no yen ti say my babonti abeka say o man who say we be ubiem because somebody they say no omaye say bibia be hu afa o man ho bia no entena ba bi nka bra na fa beto. They say wa be violate bia no mra no be che wo.
Yebediso.
Ba unia prophet ba ko so abeka say nyame yi kire mo nko ade amonka na obi antimi nyo obi ahwe
ensa kan de obeka kan de so obeka
da bi omo se de mo be hu e fa man ho no ma mo tena ba bi nka mo famra ho
enta so mo de car any transportation kan
pardon
so mo de car any transportation kan asam no ho
nti wo savulugu a no ma peka o no mo de obefa wa ba
very good because ebia na enye obia na benye sikade afaka aba deliver message na
fire wo jamesre wada letter eba abonten no email ewo ho contact telephone number ewo ho obetumi afa number na wafre nye by force say wo fa car akọ president nim akọ minister bi enim eno an say odi email no ebe ye dwuma ana say wo fa phone no afa number no afre nye by force na say ya ankasa na yehu ye ho ano ministers kura wo mo egu parliament house say fu wa ne ede ma wo mo free na ye twem na asofo na ebe toka asanso to fuel ede amamo ebusian komodie no ka ho bi fa adwenkyere fa to comment section na say yem communications minister Honorable Sam George obeka say on DSTV campaign no atnase ede anobabaye afa wo mo prize when say ne board nye pa wo ma wo mo hwe DSTV no wo mo boka na so enei say enema ya tete so say hu dollar no amasidi na ayede enya ne baby papa ejina ntanka be ya womonti womo bo no so by 30% o ma womo deadline na ene DSTV for say womo enti jai enya dia womo eti womo bo no so ene ate so echina ama ene Honorable Sam George wakasa ho
did my accountability series that if they did not come to us with a reduction for the Ghanaian people, I had made a request for 30%. If they did not do that, I was going to trigger the suspension.
30% or nothing less?
That's my ask, 30%. And there's a reason behind the 30%. Some people have said, oh, why don't you do 10%, 15%? In April this year, MultiChoice increased their prices by 15%. In April this year. At that time, the cedi had appreciated by about 10% against the dollar. What was the reason for MultiChoice's increases over the last 8 years? Depreciation of the cedi, high interest rates, instability of the currency. As of April this year that they did a 15% increase, we had stability of the currency and appreciation of the currency. We had dropping inflation rates. The macroeconomic indicators were looking better. So there was absolutely no justification for that 15%. So I'm reversing that 15% and then demanding a further 15% for the Ghanaian people.
Ebusuya echirimba nipa woche enam wiemhyen akwanhia so enei womo enka atiasefo ehui womo eje echirimba na nkode ebusuya nkwan be da ahwe womo me no ka sei obi wo hokora na chese onu ankasa ena okura ebusuya mu na woni hoi ebusuya be da ahwe nkode titi hwe ba ko ana ono de se 1 month ye mu ena oware osan so eja koda bosumi mienu Obaware busumi ba ko pe sese obedi kuna ne nyaa no toto emo ya Oma Penny John Dramani Mahama sese osre obodehuru se ode niema ebebugu akwam se ne be ya wa ebeka wakoma se obetumi atoto nsase aboankode no oso be fa sa akwan so na enkode so enya gina be papa ejina.
You look at all those who died, they were at the prime of their lives and had so much responsibility. Children still in school, and some even with infants as young as 2 months. The pilot's child he has a child 2 months old. And these responsibilities are what we have to take up to make sure that the absence of the parents does not adversely affect the innocent children.
Ebusia midin edinana ya nyameche yebekọ so a ama ebusia womo ahwe womo dishi yako ebusia mon shedin ensem ahodro mekọ so aboabo no ede aba abesumu e wotie dwumedi sinto bo modern so be follow page no e Facebook no subscribe e YouTube Macrab.
7MTV New Vision.